Okay guys, so I have finally a very special box opening to do, and that's why I've got little Colette over there. But anyways, I took off the address label because you know what for, to protect the addresses. So I am just going to perform a little surgery on this box here. Daddy is putting in a new door. So it is kind of hot in here, and that's why I'm not in the nursery. And that's why I've waited 2 days to do this, because it's been quite noisy around here. And so I didn't want it interfering with the box opening. So let me get y'all guys a closer look at this. As you can see, the beautiful Colette, she's here for a very special reason. I am in the dining room right now, so it has lots and lots of light. So that's another good thing. But yes, baby girl is in here for a reason. So let's look inside here. Okay, we've got some tissue paper. And I am just going to chunk everything on the chair right now. We've got a card. I'll read that last, and probably information on the baby. The box got pretty smashed up, and as you can see, the card did too. Hopefully nothing has happened. I'm sure it hasn't with the baby. So got some little goodies, and I'm going to go ahead and get the baby out of the box so I can move this out of the way. Okay, and if you hear noises and such, that is Daddy doing the stuff for the door. So what does this say here? It says thank you. It should say no thank you. Let's see what we got. Got a hat and a cute little onesie with stars on it. So let's move this out of the way. Okay, so I almost forgot to mention that this is the video where I am announcing the giveaway winner for the painted kit done by me. So finally, actually the giveaway was originally going to end October 15th. So let me see if I can just untie these without cutting them, because I don't have scissors with me. You can hear Daddy working away. So there's 1, 2. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Oh goody, we get to unpeel the layers here and show you. Look how cute that is. Oh no, I don't want to show the hands yet. It's a cute little romper. So I'm going to take his soxies. As you can see, it's a boy. Oh, it's so hard to get a close look while you're looking through a viewfinder, so I'm just, you're going to have to bear with me a minute. Look how sweet. Look at the little tootsies. Excuse my nails, they're horrible. I have old lady fingernails. Okay, moving right along. We're going to have to strip him down and look at him. Oops, his head's not covered. So, do these hands look familiar? They should. Let me show y'all. Colette's hands. New baby's hands. Colette's feet. See how the toe is bent down, the two toes? And this one's not. It's got one toe sticking straight up. So here we go. Y'all ready? I want to peek first, so. Oh my gosh. You ready? Peekaboo. Oh, he's so cute. He is so cute. Kira, come look. So everybody, this, oh gosh. It's hard to do with one hand. Let's put it that way. Look.
Are they the same?
No, they're she asked if they're the same. No, they're not the same, but they're meant to be.
They look like siblings.
Twins. That was my goal. I saw these two. Look.
Yeah, they look like twins.
I'll put them side by side here in a minute. Let's look at that face. Oh, look at that. And the mouth is open. I don't think he can take a binky, maybe a modified binky, because of how the mouth sticks out. Oh, he's so cute. Look at that. Oh, I'm shaking. I love him. Both babies, he's done by Tiny Sprouts Reborns. And so is Colette, if you couldn't tell. Very, very beautiful painting style. Her painted hair, I love it. It's my personal taste in painted hair. There's so many versions and that to choose from. So we're going to open his card now and get to more about the giveaway. Oh, he is precious. I can't wait to hold him. That's the sucky thing about a box opening when you're doing it one-handed. So the card got kind of bent up, so it's fine though. The baby's not damaged. Tiny Sprouts Reborns. Okay, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. And here we go. His name is Connor Gabriel Bowling, born September 17th, 2018. 6 pounds, 4 ounces, 19 inches. Amy Bechtold is his artist. And I love, love, love her style of painting. It is very detailed, very modeled, but beautifully modeled. It's not too much. It's just right. So I'm a big fan of hers. And let me show y'all why I chose that name. Okay, so as I told y'all, the first name was changed. Tristan has sold, but the middle name is Gabriel, and that was chosen by Happy Roads Reborn Nursery. So if you could please message me, or actually email me at nbowling1@hotmail.com, or find me on Instagram and email and send me a message there so I can get your address. And I want to say a big thank you to everybody who entered. Got lots and lots of wonderful names, and it was a fun thing to do. So as many of y'all know that have been watching me for a while, I like to do giveaways. So do not be discouraged. There's going to be lots more to come. So anyways, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed seeing him. And this is Colette Marie's twin brother, Connor Gabriel. Let me put them together real quick. So here they are together. And they look so sweet. And they do look like twins. Connor Gabriel and Colette Marie. So sweet. So anyways, guys, let me show y'all one more time the giveaway winner. And that is Happy Roads Reborn Nursery. And they picked the name Gabriel. And I use that for Connor Gabriel. So anyways, like I said, don't get discouraged. There are going to be lots more giveaways. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed. If you'd like to see more of my babies in my nursery, like and subscribe. Take care, God bless, and love you all.